My name is Liz Parsons and I'm the Head of Technology on the Step Up programme at LLoyds Register. As part of that programme, we're implementing SAP's Business ByDesign. LLoyds Register was founded in 1760 and we still deliver what we started off with as making the world a safer place. We provide quality assurance and professional services to high technology in marine, the energy business, as well as our management systems and inspection services. Back in 2015, we had a number of legacy systems that we realised that we needed to replace as they were ageing. We had many systems across our different acquisitions and different processes, different experiences in all of our different locations. We also wanted to improve our staff utilisation and monitor and recognise that in a more efficient way. We chose Business ByDesign because we wanted a cloud ERP solution, one that was flexible enough to meet the different elements of our business, but also one that helped us define processes around the system. We know that we're not always brilliant at containing our processes, so we wanted the benefit of that matching the system. A cloud implementation for ERP systems at LLoyds Register was the right fit. It helps us stay in control, but also helps us stay current with the latest version of the software, and that really helps us in our business. We also like the flexibility of being able to take the processes but also adapt them to our actual needs. We primarily use the project solution, and that's a really good fit with our professional services business. But we also use the field service and repair solution, which is a little bit more challenging for us with a lot of intercompany transactions. However, both meet our business needs, and the financials aspect of it really helps us stay in control of the budgets, the forecast and our revenue recognition processes. So we're partway through our transformation programme, about 2 years into a 3-year journey, and we've deployed ByDesign into 17 countries now, with another 17 to go live soon. What we found is that the Business ByDesign users, now that they're getting used to a new system, are really starting to see the benefits of being able to control and see their projects and how that project is performing from a profit and loss perspective. How much money is that project actually going to make and cost us as an organisation? And that's one of the real benefits that we're starting to see across our deployed users with ByDesign. We have around 3,500 employees currently using ByDesign in different levels, and we have another 3,500 still to deploy to. But one of the things that we're really experiencing already is the beauty of having everybody on a single platform in a single environment, so we can perform intercompany transactions without the need for messy and complicated integrations. I'm happy to run SAP Business ByDesign.